Hey party people, this is Zach from visionswell.com, products and principles for a simple, serene life. And today what I've got for you is some new gear pickups for August 2025. We can go over all this gear and how it fits into my everyday carry and my travel kits. And we can talk about the usefulness, the price, and how awesome all this gear is. So let's get started. First up, I have the Tribit Stormbox 2. This retails for $79.99 US. It supports Bluetooth 5.3. It has a TWS mode where you can link two of these speakers together if you want to get that true stereo sound. If you're at a barbecue and you got a couple of these, you could make a really immersive sound stage. The great thing about it is that it's IPX7 waterproof for outdoor use around pools, beaches, and inclement weather, so you don't have to worry about this getting ruined if you're caught in a rainstorm or if it falls in the pool. You'd still be able to use it, so it's a great little thing to have. It has a really great Tribit app that has creative customization with do-it-yourself equalizer modes on the Tribit app, as well as some preloaded options for different scenes where you could use this in so that the equalizer will fit that well. It has 34 watts of power and up to a 24-hour playtime, and it weighs just 1.28 pounds. So if we look at this, you have a start-stop button, a plus volume, a minus volume. The back side has a power button, a Bluetooth button, an extreme bass button, and then the TWS mode button. And then you have a little waterproof cover down here that covers up the USB-C charging port as well as an aux cord. So you could easily use this speaker as an auxiliary speaker if you wanted to hook it up to your TV or your computer or something like that, or directly to a phone or other device. You see this little bass bumper down here, the little tweeter. You have one on this side too. And then you have a really nice nylon grab handle where you could also hang this up, attach it to a bike, attach it to a backpack, and you would be able to walk around playing the music or podcasts or audiobooks that you want to listen to. So let's listen to this baby purr and test a couple of royalty-free songs so you can hear a little bit of its soundstage. It's not easy to test speakers on a video, so keep that in mind, but you can see how this sounds. That's the tone letting you know that it's turned on. And then that's the tone saying that it's connected. So let's listen to a couple songs here. You can see the little tweeter moving up and down. It sounds really full and rich and has enough bass for a speaker of this size and for a speaker this portable. Imagine yourself out at a beach or a barbecue or by the pool, just vibing to some tunes with your friends. The speaker would fit in perfectly in that environment. Knowing that it's waterproof, protects you from inclement weather. You don't have to worry about it falling in the pool or falling in the ocean or falling in the lake. And it sounds absolutely awesome. So I think for $79.99 US, this has a ton of features and weatherproofing, and it has a really nice, attractive profile. It looks good. I like that it's kind of squared off so it doesn't roll away if you were using it on its side or something. So I highly suggest this Bluetooth speaker if you want to bring one on your travels, have it in the hotel room, have it at the beach, throw it in your car for a tailgate. This is a great little speaker. Next up, we have the Workpro Folding Utility Knife. This retails for $18.99 US typically, but it's currently on sale for $11.99 at the filming of this video. I have a discount code below if you want to use it in the description, and you'll get some additional money off. It comes in a variety of different colors. I have the black, this light blue, this dark green, and this pink. And it also comes in a lot of other different colors too, so you can accessorize it to however you like to carry. It has a really nice, lightweight, durable G10 handle that's really durable, but also doesn't weigh that much. It's water and corrosion resistant. And then if you open it up, it opens really easily. And you have a really nice little liner lock here where it feels very stable. You're not gonna accidentally cut yourself. And then when you wanna close it, you just click in this little liner lock and close it. And it's really small and fits into the palm of your hand. You have a quick blade change where all you have to do is hit this little arrow here on this little tab, and then you can pull the blade right out. And then you can just pop a new one right back in. and it stays in there extremely securely so you're not going to accidentally cut yourself. The blades themselves are premium SK5 utility blades, and each one of these you buy comes with 10 additional blades. So that's nice to have. That'll get you through a lot of different jobs. You can use this to cut cordage, cut drywall, cut strings off of something, open packages, cut cardboard, tons of different uses. You know what a utility blade is for. Closed, this measures in at 2.99 inches, and then open, it measures in at 5.28 inches, and it only weighs 1.95 ounces. So under 2 ounces, you have all this usefulness in one little package here. So if you're looking for a compact, great, high quality, water and corrosion resistant, foldable utility knife with a liner lock and quick blade change, the Workpro Folding Utility Knife would be a great option for your EDC kits, throw in your junk drawer, throw in the car, anywhere you need a utility blade. If you're someone who works with your hands, you may be using this every day. So I highly suggest these little utility blades, and I'm going to throw a bunch of these in all kinds of kits that I have, as well as my junk drawer and my toolbox, so that I know I have a compact, easy to use utility blade anywhere I go, and it has these nice colors as well. Next up, I have the Benks ArmorGo phone stand wallet. This is a great little wallet. It attaches via MagSafe to the back of your phone, but this ring is also adjustable so you can use it as kind of a kickstand. It has RFID blocking. It supports up to 1 to 3 cards, so it makes it a really minimalist wallet, something that you can just bring if you only need like your ID, your debit card, and your credit card. This would be a great little thing to bring. There's no room for cash, so I would only use this in super minimalist situations where you don't need cash, or you could always carry cash separately in your pocket. It has a 12N stable magnet for strong MagSafe attachment, and it's made from a DuPont Kevlar fiber material for lightweight durability. See this Kevlar material? It feels really soft and nice in the hand, but also extremely durable. It retails for $32.99, and I think that that's a fair price for how quality this item is. And then if you want to see how it attaches to a phone, it MagSafes right on there, doesn't fall off. And then if you want to use this as a phone stand, you can easily do that. You can use it vertically, you can use it horizontally, and you have a way to read, to watch videos, to text when you're on an airplane. You have a little stand built in. And it's pretty slim profile, so it doesn't add a whole lot of bulk to your phone. So if you really want to minimize your pocket carry and your wallet size, this might be a really great option for you. Next up, I've mentioned this on previous videos before, but I absolutely love Rite in the Rain. These are some waterproof wax-coated notebooks. So I have the one I've showed before. I just got a new one. It has some kind of yellow pages with lines on it so that you can write down easily. It's got a top little spiral on it. It has nice waterproof pages, so anything you write on here is not going to wash away if it gets wet or greasy or muddy. You have an ability to write down important information and not lose it. It's very small. It could fit in a sling bag. It could fit in a personal item. It could fit in your pocket. So it's a great little journal to keep with you or somewhere to keep down notes. And then I also have it in the black cover, and these pages are more gray colored. So it just depends on what color you're looking for. The features are all the same. These smaller notebooks come in a 3-pack for $14.85, so I highly suggest you pick that up if you're looking for a great little notebook to bring with you. And then they also have a smaller wallet-sized notebook. It's about the size of a credit card, so you could slide this into a wallet and know that you always have paper on the go. You could use it as a fire starter. You could use it to take down notes, emergency contact information, draw a little diagram, doodle if you're bored. You have just a nice little notebook on the go here. And then the last Rite in the Rain product I have is the Rite in the Rain Weatherproof Black Metal Clicker Pen. This is a really awesome clicker pen. You get 2 of them for $40.55, and I know that seems like a lot to pay for a pen, but this pen has a lot of features that make it worth it. The ink cartridge and writing ability itself is good for -30 to up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, and it can write up to 35 feet underwater. So that's absolutely incredible. And it can write through water, grease, or mud the same way these notebooks can hold up, so they're a great thing to pair together. They have a proprietary ink and ink delivery system to allow it to do those things through the inclement weather, through the grease, the water, or the mud. And it has a nice pressurized cartridge so that if you wake up in the middle of the night and you're holding your notebook upright and you need to write, it doesn't mean that the ink's not going to run. It's made from high quality metal. It's got that fidgety click. It has a nice little pocket clip here. It's a really nice pen. So if you're looking for a pen to use and know that it won't fail on you, it's dependable as well as a dependable notebook or journal, Rite in the Rain is a great choice. Then I have this Hoto 24-in-1 precision screwdriver. This thing is absolutely awesome. It retails for $19.99, but at the time of this video, it's on sale for $14.99. So I highly suggest you pick this up while it's on sale. This comes in a variety of different colors, so you can mix and match to whatever suits your fancy. It's got this sleek polished metal exterior. And then at the bottom, there's a little magnet, and if you pull that out, there is storage for 12 double-ended precision screwdriver heads. So that means you have 24 different options for screw heads included already in this kit in the base of the device. It measures in at 4.75 by 0.65 by 0.65 inches, and it weighs just 58 grams, so it's very lightweight, would fit well in a sling bag, an EDC bag, or some kind of electronics repair kit. This is great for repairing electronics, sunglasses, glasses, or anything like a knife or small tools that have small screws. It also has this palm pivot end, so that when you're holding it, you can easily just twist it. And then if you want to put one of these on, you just take out one of the bits. The other ones are held magnetically inside. And then this magnetically fits into the end. So it holds in there nicely. And then you can go ahead and screw or unscrew anything that you want. And it's really easy to use in the hand because of the little pivot point at the end. It feels really solid. The construction is nice. This is just a really useful all-in-one kind of tool. And then when you're done, take that out, pull out the end, and magnetically stick this bit right back where it came from. Close it up. And you have a little compact way to fix all kinds of devices that use smaller screws. Really great little package and an insane value for the price. Next up, we have the Flissa Fixed Blade Knife. This retails for $21.99. It's a 7-inch full tang fixed blade hunting knife. And by full tang, I mean that the metal from the blade goes from the tip all the way through to the end of the handle. It comes with this nice Kydex sheath, which is really good for protecting you from the blade accidentally deploying. And then it also has a little belt clip that's spring-loaded, so you can press the button and open that up, clip it to a belt, clip it to a sling strap, and you have a variety of ways to carry this thing. Then if you open this up all the way, you can see that the belt clip is screwed in. So if all you want to use is the Kydex sheath, you can just unscrew these two little screws, take off the belt clip, and then you can just use the sheath on its own. And as you can see, there's two nice little holes in the handle. So if you wanted to wrap this in paracord and make more of a handle that felt better in your hand, it comes with a length of paracord that's attached to it that gives it a little bit more ergonomics, makes it easier to pull out. You could untie this and make it into kind of a neck knife. It's made from D2 steel. It has a really nice blade on it. It has this nice grip point at the top where you can put your thumb if you're doing like whittling or something like that. It's got a 90-degree angle at the top, so if you wanted to use this to split wood, baton wood, you could easily do that. It's lightweight, durable, and corrosion resistant. As I mentioned, it's 7.1 inches long. It only weighs 4.6 ounces, so it's very lightweight and easy to use. And it has this nice G10 handle that feels really good, really durable, and really lightweight, so that feels great in the hand. This would be great for things like hunting, fishing, bushcraft, even self-defense, or even something as simple as opening packages or cutting cordage. You have a little knife that's easy to deploy. I really like fixed blade knives because I don't have to worry about unfolding and refolding them. I can just pull it out of the sheath and it's good to go. So this is a really nice, affordable little knife if you don't want to spend a ton on a knife. And then when you're done, just slide it right back in, clicks into place. It's super secure, and it's just a great knife to have on you. Next up, I have these Voniko Ultra Alkaline AAA batteries. You get a 24-pack for $6.99, which is super affordable. They actually have a 10-year shelf life, so they last a lot longer than your average alkaline batteries. They have specially designed leakage protection that guarantees no leakage, so there's no possibility of combustion, and they're also environmentally conscious because they contain no mercury or cadmium. They're reliable and longer lasting than name brands, and they're super affordable. So to test them out, I have my favorite flashlight here. That's my Woobin PL01 pen flashlight. And if I unscrew the end, I can take out the included 600 milliamp hour rechargeable battery. This is a great battery, but if this ever died or ran out or you lost it, you may need to use some AAA batteries to replace it. So let's see if this still works. So first of all, I'll put the regular battery in here, and I'll turn this on. And you can see it works perfectly. Little push button on the back for activation. Then I'll use my awesome Workpro knife here to open up one of these battery packs. Easy peasy. And then with this empty, I can go ahead and put these AAA batteries in here. 2 of them. Close this up. And you can see that it still works perfectly. So if you have any kind of devices that use AAA batteries and you want some affordable, nice, environmentally conscious ones, I highly suggest you pick up these Voniko Ultra Alkaline AAA batteries. They just work. Next up, I have the Future Adonis USB 4.2 USB-C to USB-C cable from Aohi. And this comes in an awesome little rubber holder. It looks super futuristic, super nice. I love how compact this package is. And then we can take the cord out. And you can see the little Aohi logo here. It's this nice bright yellow color, so it's easy to see. You have these nice metal ends to it. They feel super high quality. It's USB-C to USB-C. It comes with a little Velcro attachment. And the cord itself is super thick, has thick rubber. It feels super smooth in the hand. It feels really good. And if you use the discount code below, you can get 15% off on their website. So I highly suggest you pick it up. It retails for $39.99, but you can easily get 15% off. It supports 80 to 120 gigabytes per second transfer rate, so that's super fast and super useful. You can also use this as a video cable for your monitor, and it supports 8K at 165 Hz, 4K at 540 Hz, or you can do 2 8K monitors at 60 Hz, or 3 4K monitors at 144 Hz. So that gives you a ton of different options depending on your desk setup. It's compatible with Thunderbolt 2 through 5, so it makes it really easy to transfer data depending on the type of Thunderbolt you're using. It supports USB 4, 3, and 2, so you can use this in a variety of different ports. It's got a 240 watt fast charge capability, so you can easily fast charge devices with this, like laptops, phones, and other things. And it has this 16-core coaxial design that makes it super durable and super nice. So if you're looking for a great video, charging, or data transfer cable, I cannot recommend the Future Adonis more. So definitely check this thing out. It's high quality, it's worth the money. Don't just buy cheap cords on Amazon, get this awesome one. And those were my most recent gear pickups, so if you're interested in any of them, please check the links in the description below. I'm going to put the discount codes for the ones I have discount codes for. The rest are affiliate links and they help the channel out a lot, so I'd really appreciate if you use them. If you like gear roundup videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe because it helps the channel out a lot. Thank you as always for watching, and with all that being said, I will definitely see you in the next video. Take care.